Hi friends, welcome to your Maths library. In this video book, we are going to learn how to study maths. So without wasting any time, let's begin. Are you poor in maths? Don't be disappointed. Doesn't matter whether you are in school or high school or in university, this video is for you. So watch the video till the end. And now let's answer the main question, how to study maths. The very first step of studying maths is to understand. And in order to understand, we must first learn to ask questions. Ask why. Why am I studying this concept? Why am I studying this question? Why is this reason for this particular step? Learn to ask questions. Doesn't matter if all your questions are not answered. It is okay to have doubts. But if you have doubts, then ask. Ask your teachers or friends, or you can also search online and clear all your doubts. It is okay to have doubts, but it is not okay to not clear them. So don't forget to clear your doubts. Once your doubts are cleared, then we say that you have understood the concept thoroughly. And once we have understood the concept thoroughly, then we must close the book and write it down. Why? Why should we write it down? Because writing stores information in memory for longer duration. Say we have just read the answer, it will store information in your memory for a few days, but when you write it down, it will store information for few months. As well as writing helps in memorizing more as compared to reading. So we remember more when we write in comparison when we read. So writing is a must. Wait, our job is not done yet. Once we have written it down, we are supposed to self-check it. Now the question is why? Why are we supposed to check it? Because once we check it, we identify mistakes. And when we know our mistakes, next time when we encounter the same question, we quickly realize where we went wrong earlier and we don't repeat the same mistakes again. So, same mistakes are not repeated. So self-checking the answer which you have written is must. Now, if you have understood the question thoroughly, if you have cleared all your doubts properly, and then you have written it, then you will not make many mistakes and you will be confident about the answer which you have written. But in case the question is too difficult, so even after understanding it properly, you have made a few mistakes in the answer, then doesn't matter. Rewrite it once again, because once we rewrite it again, we instantly rectify our mistakes and we become more confident about the answer. Let's quickly summarize all these steps. Step number one, understand and clear doubts. Step number one is very important. Only after understanding the concept thoroughly and clearing all your doubts, move to step number two. Step number two, write without referring. Here, without referring is important because we are not supposed to copy it from the book. We are supposed to close the book and write it down, and it will ensure that we remember it for a longer duration. And that is the reason why our teachers and parents tell us to practice, practice, practice when it comes to maths. Now, on completing step number two, we should not forget step number 3, which is self-checking, because self-checking will ensure that we know our mistakes and we will not repeat them next time we attempt the same question. So step number 3 is also important. Step number 1, 2 and 3 are more than enough for most of the questions, but in case the question is too difficult and you require it to write it again, then step number 4 is rewrite if required. If you follow these steps thoroughly, you will definitely improve your maths and become more confident. You will also find maths more interesting than before. But don't forget that writing will store information for longer duration but not permanently. Means we should revise it on timely basis to keep it fresh in our memory. So revision of concepts is also important. If this video has helped you in any way, then like the video and share it with your friends. And also in comment section, let us know whether you have liked it or not. We would love to know. And subscribe to our channel for more maths related videos. Thank you for watching.